charisma and personality. Oh, how come everybody's making it big but me?
What's the plan, man?
So now I've got these big oak logs. I'm guessing that's probably a good 30 inches, probably. And they're too heavy for the tractor to pick them up and set them up on the sawmill. So I laid them out here, and I'm hoping I laid them out in the right place that I can set my ramps up and use my winch to pull them up onto the sawmill. And we're gonna show you how we're gonna do that. Right now I've got to get the trailer lined up. I've got to get the center of the log about where the winch is gonna be. I'm pretty darn close right there, but I think I can pull forward just a little bit. And then we'll start setting everything up and show you how we're gonna do this.
All the way up. Oh yeah. Are you blocking the whole driveway? Could I get out in the van?
All right, so I got a 2,500 pound winch. We're gonna see how this works. I haven't done this yet, so you guys are gonna see the failure if it happens with us. But I welded a receiver down here on the side of the trailer. Just goes right in. I welded a couple of nuts and where I can lock it in place.
It's a pretty good idea.
So now it's in there good and solid. I am going to do this more permanent. I'm going to wind up mounting the battery to the front and wiring it all in to where I don't have to, where all I have to do is plug the winch in and it's all ready to go. But for right now, I haven't got that done yet, so I've got to bring the battery back here to hook the winch up. Hopefully my winch has, or my battery has enough power in it. It was working it yesterday whenever I checked it, but I don't know how long it's gonna last or anything. We'll see. I made this fender removable for this exact reason right here.
How are you gonna get under that?
All right, guys.
Let me get out of the way.
I'm gonna stand back here in case something goes wrong. We're gonna try this. No, it's that winch is getting hot. Dang it.
mill could hold a much longer log, but in order to load a bigger log, we would definitely need a bigger winch, right, Wiley?
I mean,
it struggled.
well, I mean, one reason why it struggled is probably the battery's not 100% charged.
Okay.
And that connection was loose, and I didn't know it. I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but it was smoking pretty bad a while ago.
I tried to catch it.
It was heating up pretty bad and smoking right there. I had to tighten it a little bit. I'm going to have to do a little bit of work on that, I think. You can see, if she gets a close-up over here, you can see how hot it was getting because the connection was loose.
You can see it started dripping.
It's on there. Now, probably use the tractor to straighten it up a little bit. We can start milling. right, y'all, we just about finished it up. I run out of gas. I'm waiting on Jen to get some gas over here, but we've got 17 or 18 good 2x8s. Now that's a full 2 inches thick and a little over 7 inches wide. This is being cut to be put on a equipment trailer, a heavy haul equipment trailer. So the place that it needs to go in, a little over 7 inches is what it's going to work, how we needed to work it out. Like I said, we run out of gas. I got one slab here left, and then I got one slab down here left. We should have, see, that'll make 16, 17, maybe 18 10-foot long 2x8s, and he's actually only needing 12 for the trailer, but that gives him a few to go through in case he finds one he don't like. He can grab another one, whatever. But we've also got another equipment trailer we got to work on, and I've got 2 more big logs out here. I've got, let's see, that big log and this big log. So I've got to cut as many as I can, but this gets his heavy haul equipment trailer ready to go. I'll be making a phone call in just a little bit so he can come pick this stuff up so they can get to work on their trailer. Well, guys, the Sawmill trailer worked out fantastic. I've got to say, you know, it's got its ups and downs. Because it's taller, it makes everything a little more difficult, but I absolutely love the fact that I'm able to bring it to the wood and do it where the wood's at. The winch worked fabulous, other than the little issue you've seen with a loose connection, but met my expectations totally. We got this done today. I've got a few more I've got to mill up for him. Like I said, that's probably going to be another day. He is on his way to pick the lumber up now. It's the wind's blowing up here where we're at. It's pretty chilly. I'm gonna go wait for him to get here, load him up, and then I'm gonna head to the house. You guys let me know what you think. If you like this kind of content, leave me something down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and don't forget, work hard, stay humble, and love God. Don't forget to check out these cool videos over here.